Everyone's an addict. Some of our emotions carry a charge, and usually it's an uncomfortable feeling that you may feel often. And the origin of these feelings is from our childhood. These trapped emotions may be fear, anger, or grief. Because they're uncomfortable, we want to block them, sedate them, or somehow control those feelings. At some point in our childhood, our spontaneity had to be suppressed and replaced with behavior acceptable to adults. So as this amounts to us rejecting our authentic, spontaneous selves, and it creates an internal conflict. So this leads us to resort to drama. Since we've rejected ourselves, we use drama to get attention from others, attention that we can no longer give ourselves. And this attention can often be negative, and it's not always positive. And just as long as we're getting attention, we gauge our success here by how much attention we get, and not on the quality of the attention. The second type of drama we may engage in is self-medication. And this is a way to control and sedate, our inner discomfort. And sedation, it's an attempt to numb our awareness. And control, well, control is an attempt to gain some power over this discomfort. So how do we do that? Well, smoking cigarettes has been a popular thing for a long time. It's one method. Smoking gives us the illusion that we are in control. So as we get feelings of discomfort, well, we can always reach for a cigarette, and we're back in control. Smoking marijuana, that's a very popular form of self-medication. Because it achieves both sedation and control at the same time. In fact, the things that we do to make ourselves happy or to, have it good, a lot of these behaviors are mostly meant to sedate or control, our inner discomfort. So addictions arise because of, our need for self-medication. Addictions, however, are an effect; they're not a cause. So if you're dealing with an addiction and you want to get on top of, you want to quit something, well, forcing yourself to quit, say, a self-medicating behavior, is really just fiddling with an effect. We have to address the cause. The cause of our internal discomfort, which often results from emotions that originated in our childhood. These charged emotions, they must be integrated through awareness. Anyone carrying an emotional charge is going to act out in drama, an attempt to control and sedate themselves through habits, addictions, and self-medicating behaviors. This is so prevalent that our society accepts these behaviors as being cool or living the life. Behaviors such as overeating, drinking alcohol, smoking cigarettes, and marijuana allows us to openly and freely use these escapist type of behaviors to control and self-medicate ourselves, openly and freely together. What celebrations don't usually involve overeating, overdrinking, smoking some marijuana, or using some other recreational substance? Everybody's doing it. Everyone is an addict in one form or another.